Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Google Pixel 5a. To do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, look for Microsoft Edge, now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, launch your browser. Here we can customize it and sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it by pressing on sign in later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and proceed. Lastly, you can set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. I'm gonna do that. And right here the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.